All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to access your API key for Smartlead. That way you can build a bunch of cool automations if you're technical enough to do that. So Smartlead has a bunch of different API endpoints you can call. That way you can make wonderful automations, pull data, or do all kinds of stuff with their API key. So to access it, you log into your Smartlead account, click on your little icon on the top right, and click on Settings. And over here on the left-hand side, there is the API key management section here. So this is how you can find your API keys. So if I click on this eyeball here, it'll show me my API key, which I'm going to regenerate it just in case after this video. But I'm not going to do that here. If you want to copy your API key, you press the little API key copy button. Or if you made a video like this one and you don't want people using your key or you're worried about that, you can reset it here. Now, if you are on a higher tier plan, which I am not on, you can create custom client keys. That way, if you're on an agency and you want your clients to be able to access just their Smartlead instance, not your whole account, you can click that button there and ta-da, you will have made your own client API keys. Now, I'm not very technical. However, for all the technical people that want to understand the API key in a lot of depth, if you click on the documentation here, it'll pull up to this amazing help doc section here where you can see all of the different API keys or the API endpoints that you can call, all the different nuances of it, all the different parameters, all of this stuff here. Now, if you're less technical like me and you want to still leverage this, I'm sure you could download all of this, throw it into a tool like Cursor or Claude Code or any other tool like that. I'm not endorsing any of those, by the way. You can throw it into your AI model of choice. You can take all of these and throw it in there. And that way, for you less technical folk, you can get something done with this. But in any case, this is where you can find all the many different API endpoints inside of Smartlead. You can search stuff and check that all out here. So that is how you leverage the API inside of Smartlead if you want to build any automations.